Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having chicken casserole. You'll need 1.5 pounds of chicken. I've got these cut into bite-sized pieces. A 6-ounce box of stuffing, chicken stuffing. You'll need 1 can of cream and mushroom soup or chicken soup. I've got 2 because I've got 2 pounds of chicken. You'll need 1/3 cup of sour cream and salt and pepper, but I'm going to use this seasoning here. It's Kentucky chicken and poultry seasoning. And you'll also need 1 3/4 cup of water. Okay, you'll need a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, and you'll want to grease it. Then you put your chicken in. You spread out your chicken. You want to make sure you season your chicken with either salt and pepper or whatever seasoning you have. Your 1 3/4 cup of water. You add your stuffing mix. You mix that and you let that set. Okay, then you take your soup mix and your sour cream and mix that together. I have cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. It only calls for 1 soup, but we're going to put in 2. Mix that and just set that aside. Okay, next you spread your soup mix and sour cream all over the chicken. Next, you put your stuffing mix on top. So sprinkle it around. Then you put this in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And here it is out of the oven. The only thing I see right now is it needed another stuffing mix, I believe. Let's plate it up.
All right, let's give this a try. It's good. But yeah, I believe Carolyn's right. When you do this recipe, use 2 boxes. It's a winner, folks.
I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.